This is Sugar Plum, and I'm taking over this production. Welcome to the historically accurate cartoon princess dances. I'm the Sugar Plum Fairy, and I'm taking over this production. For this dance, I know it's not a fourth dance, it would be a fifth dance of the Nutcracker, but in the original production of the Nutcracker, the Italian ballerina Antoinette took over the Nutcracker and added a gavotte that was not one of Tchaikovsky's original pieces. And so in the same sense, I'm going to take over the pas deux with my lovely Prince Dandy. And we are going to do a Victorian two-step. A couple of other facts about Sugar Plum. A Sugar Plum was a very sweet treat, considered quite perfect. Typically a nut covered in many levels of sugar and a perfect confection in every way. His name was Prince Koklush, which oddly translates to a cough drop, known as a very sweet and saccharine dandy or flirty like candy. So he's often known as a dandy or a flirt, as mine was today. The first step in our Glide Two Step will be a 4-count gallop to left. It will look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The second step in our Glide Two Step will be the actual two-step action, which is like a polka without a hop. The Glides Two Step to the gentleman's right then left. It looks like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The third section is a gallop to the gentleman's right. It looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We have one more polka section at the very end, the fourth section, which would go to the gentleman's left and right. So this last smooth polka or two-step looks like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. When you put it all together, it will look like this.